Hello, my beautiful friends. Today, we'll make anti-aging face masks using a powerful natural ingredient, cucumber. Cucumber is packed with antioxidants, water, and vitamins. It helps reduce wrinkles, brighten dark spots, and refresh the skin, even at 70. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss beauty tips that really work. Let's get started. To make the base, cut fresh cucumber into pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Blend until smooth. This is your base. Apply it to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. First recipe, gentle exfoliation. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cucumber yogurt base, 1/2 teaspoon of oat flour. Benefits: gently exfoliates, softens texture, and soothes irritated skin. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and moisturize. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, comment below and tell us where you're watching from. Second recipe, nourishing and smoothing. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cucumber yogurt base, 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. Benefits: olive oil helps nourish the skin, reduce fine lines, and add elasticity. How to use: apply the mixture to clean skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water, then cool. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you liked this recipe, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and share it with a friend. Third recipe, antioxidant boost. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cucumber yogurt base, 1/2 teaspoon of matcha green tea powder. Benefits: matcha is rich in antioxidants and helps tighten the skin and improve texture. How to use: apply to face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse well with warm water, then splash with cool. Moisturize after. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Don't forget to subscribe. More natural glow-up recipes are coming. Fourth recipe, brightening and spot fading. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cucumber yogurt base, a few drops of lemon juice. Benefits: lemon helps reduce pigmentation and brighten dull skin. How to use: apply a thin layer to your clean face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Use only at night and apply sunscreen the next morning. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Fifth recipe, soothing and rejuvenating. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cucumber yogurt base, half a teaspoon of honey. Benefits: honey smooths fine lines, hydrates, and restores softness. How to use: apply the mask to clean skin on the face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then splash with cool. Pat dry and apply your favorite moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. Thanks for watching.